Welcome to Perfect Curvy channel, where we share amazing stories of top Instagram models. Today, we will be discussing the incredible life of Sophie Rain. Check it out and let's get started. Sophie Rain is a famous American model, Instagram star, TikTok star, social media influencer, who was born on September 22, 2004 in Florida, United States. Sophie Rain was born on September 22, 2004, hailing from the vibrant Newark, New Jersey in the United States. As a social media influencer and rising model, Sophie Rain's biography has captivated audiences across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Her engaging content spans a wide range of genres, from fashion and lifestyle to beauty and fitness, as showcased in Sophie Rain's biography. Sophie's older sister, Sierra Rain, also shares the spotlight as a successful content creator. Sophie Rain Wikipedia is being updated on HW. Sophie Rain's height is 5 feet 6 inches, which is an important aspect of her physical appearance, as she combines youthful charm with undeniable talent. Sophie Rain's net worth is around $83 million. Sophie Rain's net worth caught everyone's attention when she shared a screenshot of her annual earnings. Through various professional ventures and collaborations, Sophie Rain's net worth continues to grow, making her a renowned figure in her field. Sophie Rain's net worth is in line with her luxurious lifestyle.